Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and to my old subbies, welcome back. Today, if this is kind of mini twist you're looking to achieve, look no further because we are getting right into this video. As you can see, I'm using the QVR Hair, and this hair is super lightweight, it's super soft and very fluffy. And you have to know how to use it the right way, or else the mini twist is not going to last. So the first thing we're going to do is to make sure that you have your hair section into three parts: the front, the middle, and the back. So this is going to help to make sure that your parts are clean. To start twisting, I take a small section, apply a little styling gel for hold, and I braid the top first before twisting. That is a very important part you don't want to miss, because if you twist from the root, like Senegalese twist, how Senegalese twist is always twisted, you're literally going to have your hair falling out of your head. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but braid from the root, then you twist, so that way you have your twist lasting long. So most times the first braid is always to see how I want the size, or how the clients want the size, so that way we don't have it too tiny or too whatever, but it's just for us to know the size we are going for, just in case you see the next braid look a little different, then you know that okay, we're trying to test and see what size of the twist that we want to achieve. Watch closely the way I'm going to grip this braid, this section. The grip I have on this is very important, because that is what you need when you are installing mini twists using QVR Hair, because the QVR Hair feels slippery, and it can be quite slippery a little, and it might slide out if you don't have a strong grip on the roots. That is very important. The QVR Hair is very nice. It blends seamlessly with your hair, and it makes the twist look natural and full. The main thing you want to get right is the root. If you make sure that the root is staying strong, the rest of the process is going to be seamless. And also watch closely the way I'm twisting. I'm not twisting my hand tight, I'm just moving my hand. So that is what you want to achieve. You don't want to twist tight. If not, you're not going to get a fluffy look that we are going for. I'm here showing you another pattern clip, because one of the things aside from your grip that you need to make sure is very clean is your parts. If your parts are not clean, you might as well not just get mini twist done, because it's probably going to get older way fast than you anticipate on carrying it. So make sure your parts are clean, and watch closely the way I bend my hands right there. That is the way you split your hair for the mini twist. I don't know if you understand, but watch the video closely. I make sure that part is zoomed out, so that way you can see exactly what I'm saying. I'm going to be showing you how I added more extension for the length, because my client wanted a layered look. So we used 22 inches at the back, and we used 16 inches moving forward, but I still needed to add extension at some point, so that way the gap between the 22 inches and 60 inches is not going to be too much. So you're going to be seeing that in this video. Please, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell, so that way you can be the first person to get my notifications whenever I drop new tutorial videos. So let's get into adding the extensions. Make sure what you're adding is very small. As you can see in the video, and make sure it's zoomed out so you can see it. If you do not add that extension very small, it's not going to give you that seamless look that you want, and that is not going to look good. So let's continue with the twisting process, and watch closely what I'm doing, and also when I get to the front, the way I'm parting the front of the hair. So another thing I'm going to say is, when we're done with the twist, I'm going to be showing you the right product to use, so that way your twist doesn't get frizzy, and also the product to use and what to do to maintain your twist. Now that we are done with the hair, get you a spray bottle, put water and put any leave-in conditioner of your choice. But for me, I used the Cantu leave-in conditioner. So get that and make sure that you're spraying it generously on the hair and massage it through the hair. So another thing I'm gonna say is when your hair is getting dry or frizzy later on, this is the same thing I want you to repeat. Please do not put any mousse on this hair. Just make sure you have just your spray bottle filled up with leave-in conditioner and water. That is all you need. The QVR hair is going to bounce back fluffy to the way it looks right now. That's all you need. Then put the oil sheen on it. This is what we have. Fluffy mini twist, looking so amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching to this point, and please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.